Planet Earth. For thousands of years, humans have faced Mother Nature alone, at the mercy of the seasons. Hey, how are you doing that? It's so hot outside. Why do I feel so cool? What else can you do? It also works in winter? Wow, that's warm and cozy. But is it quiet? Oh, that's quiet. That's real quiet. Just you and nature. Gotta go. You came here to enjoy some rest and relaxation. Wait, it lasted the whole night without a plug? And it can charge your devices? What about— Shh. But I have so many questions. You make it look so easy. Yeah, no one likes a bragger. So let me get this straight. Anytime, any season, anywhere, you're always in control? Then that's it? We no longer have to face Mother Nature alone?
Now you're starting to get it.
Yeah, I think I am. This guy really gets it. Planet Earth. For thousands of years, humans have tried to control the elements, and now they can. Isn't that crazy? Wave 2. Right temp, right now.